Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have IPSY for October. I'm really excited about it. It actually came kind of early this month, so yay, hopefully that'll be a trend. And yeah, so let's see what's inside. IPSY is a $10 a month subscription, gives you 5 to 6 products plus a cute little bag. Usually the bag is like really cute with a zipper and everything. So we're gonna see what is in here today. It looks like we have this bag with a masquerade mask on it, which is very cool. It's October, so you know, masks are definitely in. And it's funny because this reminds me a lot of the BoxyCharm theme. I am interested to see what is inside here. So first thing we have is, who said nights were for sleep? I guess that is the theme, going out and partying, which is always kind of the theme. I've never known IPSY to not be like, let's go out and have fun. So let's see what we've gotten here. First thing I have is a box. It is by Space Case Cosmetics, and it's this little box here. It's probably a blush or an eyeshadow. It is a blush. This blush is called Cosmic Gangster. Here's the color here. It's a very, very pinky blush. It's pretty subtle on my hand. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it is definitely very subtle. Let's try putting a little bit on actually. I'm already wearing some blush, but you know what? I could use a little bit of sparkle. Oh, it's pretty. It's very, very subtle. So there is number one, and I'll put all of the prices for everything in the description box so you'll be able to know how much this would be. So next thing we have is a tube. Hey honey, look into my eyes, retinol and propolis eye mask. I have gotten a lot of Hey Honey products in these boxes before, or these bags rather, and it's always a pretty good brand. So it looks like it's a very full tube, which is very nice. The formula feels really good. It's an eye mask. It smells really nice. So their stuff always smells great. It's so tiny, I can barely read it. Designed to provide intense hydration and brightening benefits to tired and stressed under eye area while smoothing wrinkles and reducing dark circles. I can definitely use that. My eyes are often very tired because I don't sleep, like ever. I have a new puppy. Oh, it's already dried on my hand. Wow. Oh, okay, cool. I have a new puppy and she keeps me up at night. She's getting better, but she is keeping me up. Next we have by Aurora Cosmetics. This looks like a liner. It is a brown. Oh, I don't have a brown liner. Ooh, I'm gonna use this. That's really cool. That's super, super pretty. It's like a really deep brown. I am really excited about this. And it looks good. It feels good. It doesn't smudge. It dries pretty quickly. I'm really excited about this. Yay. 2 more things. Next we have a Car Soothe. It's called Soothe Face Oil. Teeny tiny little vial here. Oh my god, it's so small. It's so tiny. I guess you don't need too much because oils, a little bit goes a long way. It's got a little tiny dropper here. There we go. Just try 1 drop and let's see how far that goes on my hand. Yeah, it goes pretty far. I can't tell what it smells like. It doesn't smell bad, it's just, I can't. What is that? I don't know, some sort of seed oil. Like, it smells almost like soy. Like a soy candle. So interesting. And then the last thing we have here is, oh, okay, I have several of these. Last year I got a gift set that had a bunch of these colors in it, and this is by Buxom Beauty, and these are actually they kind of have like a minty kind of flavor to them, so they kind of make your lips a little bit more plumpy and voluptuous. And so this color is full on lip polish, brilliant, and it is in Dolly. And I don't know if I actually have this one. It's a very pinky color, and it's a sheer gloss. I'm gonna dab a little bit on my lower lip there. I really like this formula from Buxom. It feels good on your lips, and it tastes good, and it's just a really nice formula. It's not sticky at all. So there is IPSY, and I am pretty happy with the stuff this month. This blush here by Space Case is actually pretty cool. It's got this nice shimmer to it, which I really like. I'm super excited about this liner. I'm glad it's not just a plain black liner, because I have about 1 million plain black felt liners that are just waiting for me to use them. So this brown is nice and refreshing, and it's very fall. So I'm really excited about that. And then the other things I'm super excited about too. This is a good month for this. So thanks so much for joining me. And if you want to sign up for IPSY, the link will be down below in the description. And if you want to see more stuff from me, be sure to subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know every single time I upload. And we will see you again next time. Bye.